everybody your names and also the guy who's not here, no?
Okay. Alright. Gikan sa Quinto Distrito.
Paingon sa inyong kasing-kasing, we are
The Quinto Boys! Okay.
By the way,
So,
I'm Kiroy, I am Raf.
I am Shim, and amo isa ka kauban kay upat ni kabuok si Iyad. Wala siya diri karon, kina siya sa Negros. He also has a gig. So karon kami lang sang tulo, and we are very thankful nga we are here sa Halyo K-Wave Sundays Halyo. Actually, this is a K-pop event, right? But here we are, a Vispop group. So thank you so much, Yapon, for welcoming us here.
Ay, sa kay ba man ka mo Korean, bro, di ba?
Ha?
Kay ba ni siya mo Korean?
Dili, uy.
Sample. Kanano
Okay.
mo Korean si Bro Sim? Sample gamay, sample.
Okay, naroon na iba ang mga gamayng kanta good. Yamot,
Let's go, bro.
Let's
Let's go, bro.
Medyo karaanan ni siya nga mga... Familiar mo, Boys Over Flowers? Oh, yeah. Mura na ko ni ba? Sige. 네가 너무 보고 싶은 날엔 너무 견디기 힘든 날에는 너를 사랑한다 이가에 만들어 혼자 다시 또 crying for you 혼자 다시 또 missing for you Baby I love you I'm waiting for you Alright, thank you.
Grabe, sa ato nga uban ba.
Manalang natay bawon ng Korean gamay.
Kay ba sa kumo Korean kung wala sa Korean?
Ha?
Kay ba sa kumo Korean?
Sige, ikaw brother.
Sarangayo.
Okay.
Oh, ba? Bro.
Sakto bro. But anyway, so ako gikan pagid ko kuan pod isa ka musical play ni dagan lagi mi padong diri maong ingon ani. I mean in my character makeup ako okay ra bro. Sige. Well anyway, we just want to thank Kadasi and Sir Jude Gitamondok. If you're familiar with Sir Jude Gitamondok, he wrote the songs Pero Atikra, Hahasula and
My Morena
Girl and many more songs. He also directs and writes musical plays like Hopeless Romantics, Bugmang Giatay. Oh my god. Alright, sorry for the word.
Play.
So, karon we are privileged to also sing another song by Sir Jude Gitamondok. It entitled Basin Maybe. Basin Maybe. So para ni inyong tanan, para sa tanang mga namasin sa gugma.
Yes, kinsa yung nakadungog Basin Maybe diri? Kinsa yung nakadungog?
Wala pa. Maong nakatadali brother, kay para nakadungog sila. Okay. So bahala tulo lang ni kay upat matami ani ka buog pero karon kami lang sa tulo ha. Pero after ani we really hope that you stream our songs sa Spotify, Apple Music and all online streaming platforms para padahit Bisaya support ta sa mga local na mga talents. Alright? Ay baka naman diyan. Baka mo kalit bro. Okay, sige. Ready na mo?
Ready na.
Okay.
Come on,
let's
ready
go.
na mo?
Ready na mo?
Yay! Music please. Pwede ba play lang?
Nakulbaan mo ba ito? Budget. Oh.
Lahos.
Tunatamag mauyhan I think maurani It's time for a change Tunatamag padala O magpadani Sa atong dibatihan Di ba pwede Permanente Kaing-ani Pwera buyag lang Pasang sa tasa Kagayhan 2, 3 What if I say We're a happy song Come on, baby Busting maybe please Busting maybe Put a fine possibility My heart pinali Busting maybe Ibaw kung nakabalo ka What I've been through 'cause you've been there too. Oh no, don't wanna say the same mistakes. Diri lang sa sa tama overthink ka. Ooh, can we live for just a moment? Ooh, this moment now. We don't have to say what we don't want to say for now. But if I say it, song, come and baby, I sing maybe with I sing maybe, do not find impossibilities. Mag-abot na duhan sa mga basin pa di ay buhon. Tansaan sa akin ay sawa sa araw. Come on, sing with me. If I sing a happy song, would you wanna sing along? Come on, one day, passing maybe, but will you come to me? Kutamahin kay kanakarapin, harapin, passing baby, please, won't you wanna sing along? Come on, baby, passing baby, magkuyong ng luha, kutamahin ay kanakarapin, passing to the fight possibility. Passing, baby. But if I sing a happy song, would you wanna sing along? Come on, baby, passing maybe, please.
Alright, daghang salamat!
Padayon Bisaya, support local artists, everyone. Thank you so much.
Please don't forget to